You got it, right? Okay. So, if your parents say something which is not agreeing with you, then you have to do what? Huh? No, remember the story.
Knowledge.
Yeah. See, they have more experience and knowledge, right? Yeah. સરસ. પછી આગળ.
વળી વાત કરી જે રામાનંદ સ્વામીએ માયારામ ભટ્ટને પરણાવવાની ના પાડી ને પરણ્યા. Ramanand Swami had asked Mayaram Bhatt to not get married, but he still got married. ને ગનોદના ખત્રી જમાભાઈ પરણવા જતા હતા તે જાન બાસેટી ત્યારે ભાદરાને કાંઠે ફૂલવડીમાં મહારાજને સંત હોવાથી જાણે દર્શન કરતા જાઉં તે ગયા, પગે લાગી ઊભા રહ્યા ને જાણે જે મહારાજ રજા આપે કે જાઓ ત્યારે જાઓ, પણ મહારાજે તો જાઓ એમ ન કહ્યું. And then there was Jamabhai from Ganod, Jamabhai Khatri. So he was a Muslim person? Yeah. So Jamabhai Khatri, who was actually a Muslim person, was a Muslim by his birth, and he was going to get married. And, he was about to sit on the patlo, like, they have, I think in the Islamic tradition, they have the husband and the wife, they sit on a pedestal, and then they do the nikah, So he was about to go there and sit on that, on that whole mandap, and he saw that ભાદરાને કાંઠે ફૂલવડીમાંથી મહારાજને સંત હોવાથી, so he knew that there was at the banks of the river Bhadra, Bhagwan Swaminarayan and all the santos are there. So he thought maybe before going here, why not I just do darshan of Bhagwan Swaminarayan and the santos and then come here and go for the wedding. So he went there, he bowed down to Bhagwan and he stood there, and he was so respectful towards God that if God tells me to leave, then I would leave. Then I would leave, because it would be not appropriate to leave without God's telling. So he stood there waiting that when God will tell him to leave. But Bhagwan didn't tell him to go leave. So Bhagwan didn't tell him to leave. So he stayed there. I think maybe the story is then he didn't get married, Dingar uncle. Is that how it happened?
No. Then Muktanand Swami was
Okay, but Muktanand Swami.
So Muktanand Swami became his lawyer and told Bhagwan that Bhagwan, this guy is here ready for marriage and he's waiting for you and you are not opening your eyes, and he is waiting and waiting.
Then upon Muktanand Swami saying, Bhagwan, પછી મહારાજે કહ્યું જાઓ ભાઈ જાઓ, પરમેશ્વર શું ભજશો? He says, go brother, go. What will you dedicate or devote to God? Maharaj made a very sarcastic comment. પરણેતર કેડે પડ્યું. After marriage, all of this talks stay behind. Is that what he's saying?
No. Marriage is holding on you,
Okay.
Marriage is after you,
Okay. Oh, પરણેતર કેડે પડ્યું છે, is behind you. Okay.
Parnetar means marriage. Kede means behind you.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Okay. એ સાંભળીને જમા ખત્રી એમ થયું જે મહારાજને ન ગમ્યું. So Jama Khatri, he felt that that looks like Bhagwan didn't like this. પછી એક દીકરો થયો ને દીકરાને છાપનું કામ આવડ્યું એટલે કહ્યું છે હવે હું છાપનું કામ નહીં કરું, મંદિરમાં બેસી માળા ફેરવીશ. So he got married, he had a son, and one of the sons, I think he was in the business of tattoos? Is that
No.
Printing.
Printing the clothes.
Printing cloths? Okay. Okay, so he was in the business of printing, and one of his son learned the art. So he said, now he's ready. So he says, I will no longer continue what I'm doing, and I'll just go to the mandir and do mara over there.
But all these years, from the day when Swaminarayan Bhagavan told him, it was in his heart that marriage is not for me. But it was already done, so he kept living that way until his son became capable of running the business, and he was at the age of retirement. Now he says to his son that, okay, I'm giving up all this thing, I'm giving you all this thing, I'm going to go to Junagadh Mandir and do the satsang now. So son was also very, nice and cooperative, પછી
રાઈટ તે દીકરો નાનો પણ ડાયો, તેથી કહે કે બાપા આજ સુધી તમે પોષણ કરી મોટો કર્યો ને હવે હું રડીને ખવડાવીશ. So son goes that, until now you took care of us, you raised us, but from today onwards I will work hard and I will take care of the family. સુખેથી મંદિરમાં કથા વાર્તા કરી માળા ફેરવી સુખ્યા રહો. So he said, you go to the mandir, enjoy the katha varta and the discourses, do whatever you have to do in the mandir and be happy. પછી જૂનો ભાઈને જમો ખત્રી વચનામૃત લઈ અને એવી જ્ઞાન વાર્તા કરે તે તેમાં સર્વોપરીપણાનું ને પ્રગટ પ્રમાણ ભગવાન ને પ્રગટ અક્ષરનું નિરૂપણ કરે ને મહારાજના બધા વચન બરાબર જેમ નિશાન પર છે તેમ જ સમજે. Then thereafter there was another devotee called Juno Bhai.
Juno Bhai એટલે?
આપણે Juno Bhai?
Jina Bhai.
Jina Bhai, oh okay. Jina Bhai Bhagat of Panchada?
Jina Bhai Darbar and this, both. In Junagadh, they would recite Vachanamrut and elevated discussions,
Right.
about Swaminarayan Bhagavan and Gunatitanand Swami.
Right. And Swami is saying that their interpretation and their discussions would be exactly in par in terms of what Bhagavan Swaminarayan would want them to understand. એમ લઈ મંડે તો જ આ અક્ષર પુરુષોત્તમનું ખરેખરું જ્ઞાન થશે અને ક્યાંય સુખ નહીં મનાય. If we actually take up this like in this way, then this philosophy of Akshar Purushottam and this upasana of Akshar Purushottam, we would understand it completely and we would not see any attraction or happiness anywhere else.
Our elevation would be to worship by being Brahmarup in the service of Parabrahm. Brahmarup થઈને પરબ્રહ્મની ભક્તિ કરવાનું પાક્કું થઈ જાય પછી દેહ ભાવ ને જગતના ભાવ ને માયાના ભાવ બધા ડ્રોપ આઉટ થઈ જાય.
અને બાયડી ધૂળની છોકરા ધૂળના દેહ ધૂળનો એમ સર્વે એવું જ ના હશે. We would feel that our family members, our kids, our own body is just made up of dirt, and we would have complete elevation and above our body consciousness. So that's the
In Christianity, they say that God created